Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The main idea is to get the BJP out. Now whatever we need to do and whatever formations we need to take over time, this is not one battle, it's a long war. Whatever battles are being fought now, we are all leading up to 2024. So it is not just about getting the BJP out of Goa in 2022, it is also about getting the BJP out of Delhi in 2024. So whatever formations we need to do to achieve that, we will do.
Madam, last time when Mamata Banerjee was in Goa, she had made an appeal that people could join, other parties could join. Anything happening on the alliance front? Or
yes, we've got an alliance with the MGP, and in the following days there will be some more alliances coming up. Because the idea is that people, anti-BJP vote should not get divided. So if people want BJP, they vote BJP. But if they don't want BJP, there should be a strong alternative where people can go and cast their vote, and that's what we are trying to create.
कासावलेची आदली सरपंच मार्था साल्डाणाकय ती मेळ्ळी. सुत्रां सांगतात त्या प्रमाण मार्था टीएमसीच्या तिकेटीचेर एक वेळ कुठ्ठाळेच्यान वेंचणूक लढयतली.
To bring the party to its conclusion, to win this seat, and always people wanted to see Moitra more, and I'm happy that she came to our place and that our people could have a look at her, because many of them were seeing her on the TV and all. She's very good at the speeches and all. I'm also learning something from her.
Madam, after you left the Congress, a lot of people have left the Congress. You think it was the right decision to leave the Congress and join the TMC?
It was a right decision. I think I stepped first, especially to talk about the alliance which they had raised their hand and taken them, but they did not shake their hands.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.